Hey guys, so I got this from the store today, and it's the Alter Studio Stereo headphones. And here it is. Not sure about the high quality though. I guess it's just tearing to the box already. Garbage. Okay. There you go. Alright. So they just clip in. Okay. Alright, they're adjustable. Very, I say okay. I'd say they're decent. I mean, what the, are supposed to clip in or what? Anyway, there's nothing else in this box. So garbage. And here it is, the awkwardly cheap cord. It was only like $5, so not surprising. But long cord, I guess. Which is, I feel like they're trying to copy Bose a little bit with the ear cup design, or Sony or Microsoft a little bit. So, I mean, feel like obviously not real, cheap garbage. I guess maybe is it good for like a student who needs to have some headphones for school, I guess, and you can just adjust it to your if it's okay in the ear. But let's I'm gonna test some music. Let's see how they sound. Obviously they're not noise canceling, so I'm gonna have to turn the volume a little bit down. I don't want to have my ears blasted today. Let's find a good song that I like to listen to. Here we go. They don't sound too loud. I guess they're good for like call, maybe a few minutes, maybe not an hour in the call. They definitely sound better than the Sonys. I mean, the Sony has a little bit more comfort in the ear. They hug this side of the ear, and that head goes over the ear. Depends on your liking. But this has a softer padding for the head. Only on your head. This is just crudely plastic. They're both portable. But this locks into place. That just flops a little bit. I mean, the cable on the Sonys, I'll give them credit. But should you buy $5 headphones? Maybe. Okay. Probably not. I'll say that, probably not. If you want to. I'm not saying go buy them, but they don't look too appealing. I'll say that. I mean, the soft touch feels okay. The cord feels like just one piece of string. Well, some are made in Philadelphia. Oh, wait, no, it was made in China. From Philadelphia. Distributed. Okay, well, that's not a problem there. But if you like this, why don't you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.